Good morning, students. This is the chapter Natural Resources, Vegetation and Wildlife. In previous period, we have studied about the tropical evergreen forest, that is tropical rainforest. Today, we will study about the tropical deciduous forest, the second group of tropical hardwood forest. Tropical deciduous forest, which is also known as the monsoon forest, because it is mostly found in the monsoon areas of the world. Monsoon areas of the world means the area where the seasonal change is distinctly seen. Clearly, the summer season, rainy season, and the winter season are felt. India is a monsoon country. Here you know from April to June the summer season, June first week to August end rainy season, and October to January and middle of the February we felt here the winter season. So obviously this type of forest is also very common in India. If we see the distribution of this forest in world, it is found in India, Myanmar, South China, East Brazil, and central part of America. These are the forests mostly found in these countries. Or the forest is located in the area of hot climate but not as hot as the tropical evergreen forest. It means the climate is warm, not so hot. And the rainfall it require from 100 to 200 cm. 100 to 200 centimeter per year. In case of the tropical evergreen forest, it is around 200 centimeter. And mostly the rainfall is possible in these areas in the month of the June, July, August and September also in some part of the world. If we see the location of this type of forest in the world map, here you see India. This is India. Then Myanmar. This is also in this side, just right side of India. South China. This is also area of South China, this part. East Brazil. This is the part east side of Brazil, and central part of the America. This is. These are the areas where monsoon type of forest or tropical deciduous forest are found. Or in case of India, it is predominantly found in India in the part of Bihar, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, some part of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and major part of India's forest is belongs to this deciduous types of forest. Regarding this is the tropical deciduous forest in India. See, these are the areas of India covered with the tropical deciduous forest. These are the tropical evergreen forest which we have studied in the last period, green, and this faded area belongs to the tropical deciduous forest. Now about the features of the forest or features of the trees located in this type of forest. The forest vegetation is not so dense as the tropical evergreen forest. Dense but not like the dense in the tropical rainforest or the evergreen forest. The density is less, and the deciduous forests have broad-leaved trees and the size is medium. Medium size means 30 to 40 meter height. In tropical evergreen forest, we see the trees up to 60 meter. But here the height of the trees are 30 to 40 meter. And the special feature of the tropical deciduous forest is the trees shed their leaves during the dry season. Means during the summer season, initial period of summer season, the trees shed their leaves. And so for 4 weeks, at least 1 month, the forest looks leafless. Only the branches are seen without leaves. This is common in this type of forest. And it is not found in the case of the tropical evergreen forest. Only without this feature, the tropical rainforest is also known as the tropical evergreen forest because they do not shed their leaves. They always looks green. The common trees of this type of forest are sal, teak, sandalwood, bamboo, sesame. Very costly and good quality of woods found from these trees, mostly used for the furnitures and household articles. And in Australia, in the deciduous forest, there is found the eucalyptus. And in this forest, the common animals are lion, tiger, elephant, and numerous kinds of reptiles. Means the animals of the crawling, creeping animals. And about the trees, you see here the picture of the trees. Sal trees, very long with less branches, and see the ground level of the forest. The forest looks very clean, not so dense like in the tropical evergreen forest, where there are a number of layers of the vegetation. In tropical evergreen forest, number of layers, short height trees, medium height trees, very tall trees are found. So the total forest seems very dense and clumsy. But here you see in the picture, the ground level is very clear. Trees are available in particular distance, still the ground is very clear. And here you see the teak wood, teak tree, which is also very costly tree for the furniture, door, window, etc. This forest is also not so dense. Large number of trees are available in a big patch of land, but in between the trees the area is very clean. No other trees are found. Again, सैंडलवुड, चंदन की पेड़ है. The sandalwood woods, here in the right side in the picture, used for puja purpose. And you see the tree of the sandalwood, medium size trees having good number of branches. Here the eucalyptus trees, those are very common in Australia, very thin in size but tall. And again we move to the Mediterranean softwood forest, that is Mediterranean forest. The Mediterranean forest, which is named Mediterranean because it is mostly found in the areas of Mediterranean Sea. Around the beach areas of Mediterranean Sea, mostly this type of forest is found. So the forest is named as Mediterranean forest. And some other areas, mostly the sea coast of Europe, Asia, North Africa, southwestern part of South Africa also found this type of forest. Area around the Mediterranean Sea, also found in the shore of Europe, Asia, North Africa, southwestern part of the South Africa. And the nature of this forest is, they are mostly found in the dry summer and moderate rainfall during the winter areas. In those areas, dry summer without rain, and moderate rainfall. Rainfall is not so high or so low, medium, moderate. The trees in this type of forest is widely scattered. Scattered means not concentrated in a particular place. They are found here and there in distance place, one tree to another tree. And the trees have spiny, waxy, small and leathery textured leaves. They are spiny, waxy. The leaves are very smooth and waxy wax material found in the tree, and size is very small, not so high. Leathery texture leaves. The leaves are looks like leather, so smooth and so shining like leather. And these trees have long roots and thick bark. These trees have long root. It requires long root because it has to draw water from distant place, because it is a dry area. Water is not sufficiently available here, and the tree having the characteristics that with long roots it can bring or it collect the water from a comparatively large area. And the thick bark पेड़ का कवर छिलका is very thick, means मोटा. Due to the above features, the trees are able to retain moisture in the dry summer season. Due to this thick bark and long root, in one side it collects the water from a distant place, whatever available in that area, and the thick bark, मोटा जो स्किन होता है पेड़ का, it do not allow to evaporate the water within the trees, and it maintain and can save itself in the summer season also. The important tree of this forest are cork, olive, and citrus fruit trees. All the trees are also unknown to us because these are not the common trees of our area. Of our area, not even in our country. It is found the different part of the world. So we are not popular, but we can see in picture after this slide. And the popular animal species in the Mediterranean forest are Mediterranean monk seal, Barbary macaque, Greek tortoise, lynx, and great worsted. These are the animals. Also, these animals are unknown to us because these are not the animals of our country or of our area. So, in world map, if we find to locate the Mediterranean forest, here is the main area of concentration. This is the Mediterranean Sea, just above the Africa, in right side Asia, and in north side part of the Europe. In between Africa, Asia, and Europe, there is the Mediterranean Sea. Here all the coastal areas, at least 3 sides are covered with the forest, Mediterranean type. Here the tip of the South Africa, African continent. This is the area of South Africa. This is also covered with this forest, some part of it. Here also south of Australia continent, in red color you can see. And the western coast of South America and the North America. Very limited area of the world are covered with this type of forest, that is the Mediterranean forest. The origin place is Mediterranean Sea, and the major concentration of this type of forest is Mediterranean Sea. So the name is according to the Mediterranean Sea, but it is also located these four areas of the world, and all are close to the water bodies, seas. Here you see the picture of the Mediterranean forest, how scattered are the trees. The trees also having very short height, but scattered, not close to each other. There is sufficient place in between the trees, and the soil looks sandy. So these are the topic for today. We have studied here the tropical deciduous forest, which are also known as the monsoon forest, because they are common in monsoon areas of the world. And then Mediterranean forest, which is located in the Mediterranean seas. Here some picture of the trees found these areas. The cork tree. You see the cork tree. What is the color of the tree? The lower part of the tree is in yellowish color, and the branches of the tree are black color. Why these trees are like this? Because in the lower part of the trees a very thick bark has been taken away. You can see here is the barks. After extraction of barks from the trees, they are used as cork. Cork tree is not fully cut down for the use of the cork. It is a good kind of variety of trees that it is preserved for a long period, because the need is the bark of the tree. So these are the barks laying here after extraction from the trees, and again it will generate its bark, and it will take some year. Olive tree, which is a very important medicinal plant. Olive oil, this is the fruit which is very much beneficial for many diseases. It is called the tree of life, olive tree. The heart patient, blood pressure, and some other very dangerous disease are also prefer to take the olive oil in their food, the patients of this type. So this is the olive tree with the fruits, citrus fruits trees. This is like orange. Citrus is a type of fruits sour in taste, and many types of fruits comes under this category. Orange is the very common you see in our area, or it is the tree in those areas where this forest is found. About the animals, you see the monk seal, and the Barbary macaque, a animal of the monkey group. Lynx, a animal of the cat family. Great bustard, this is a hen like animal. So here you have studied all about the two types of forest, tropical deciduous and Mediterranean forest. You go through your book, once again read it, recall what I have told here, and the trees, the animals which was very unknown to you, the picture you have seen, and at least about each forest you will be able to write at least 5 sentences. 5 sentences. First, the areas of the world or in India where it is found. Second, the special characteristics of this type of forest. Special characteristics in case of the tropical deciduous, it is found in the tropical area with the less rainfall, and the temperature and rainfall if given in your book for different types of vegetation, the common trees found there, and the one two features about the trees regarding its height and its leaf, and the animals found in this type of forest. Any 5 sentences about this forest, regarding the forest, you must be able to write, because in your question it comes in a either 3-mark question or a 5-mark question. Write a short note on the tropical deciduous forest or the Mediterranean forest, or distinguish between tropical deciduous forest and Mediterranean forest. If you remember the 5 lines about both of the forest, you can write opposite to each other. Trees of the tropical deciduous forest, trees of the Mediterranean forest. Animals of the tropical deciduous forest, animals of the Mediterranean forest. The area found in India for the tropical deciduous forest, the area found in the Mediterranean forest. Opposite to each other in the column left and right, you can also write the distinguish between. So this is for today. In next period we will see the temperate subdued forest and the advantages of forest. Okay.